For Zoom tutorial part 2, we're going to talk about account settings. So we're going to talk about privacy, the video and chat options, waiting rooms, personal ID meeting room, and then also passwords. So as you see here, this is your personal ID meeting room. And then when you scroll down, it tells you what kind of license you have, which is basic, which is the free one. It'll also give you your date and time and your time zones. You can always take your time and look through these things, but we're going to go through settings now. And there is a lot of different options for you for settings. So keep scrolling down and you will see that a password is required. You can't change that there's a password required. However, what you can do is change the password to make it something easier. So you go to the little pencil button and then you type in a new password. Make it something easy for your attendees. When you keep scrolling down, you'll see you have many different options, and it's best to take your time to do it. One of the most important things is the videos. So you're going to click on Host Video, and then you're going to click on Participants Video because you want to be able to see them. We're going to keep scrolling down because there's other important information for you to know as well. You can mute all, you can have an upcoming reminder that's sent to you in the email. The chat is the most important part. So you want to enable chat so people can talk, but you want to prevent people from saving the chat that happens in your Zoom meeting. You can also change it to be private chat on or off. That way, if somebody wants to talk to someone else in the Zoom meeting, they can. So there's also file transfer if you want people to transfer files while you're having a Zoom meeting. Screen sharing is one of the most important parts. Who can share the screen? If you want everybody to share a screen, or if you want just the host. The host would be the person who is creating the meeting and inviting you to the meeting. Annotation is basically where they can write on the screen share. I recommend that you change the setting that only the host can do that. As you can see when we're scrolling down, you'll see that there are many, many more options for your security and privacy. Do take the time to take a look at all of them and see which ones work for you.